Is it me you're looking for? I can see it in your eyes. I can see it in your smile. Hi guys! Welcome to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Roche, aka beautymagz. In today's video, I'll be doing a Shopee haul. And today's video is going to be an affordable, sexy, see-through, and it's purple. Yes, very attractive lingerie panty haul. So if you're interested to this kind of lingerie, then please keep on watching. So our first panty haul for today is very sexy, you guys. And yes, I already featured this, but again, so I'm giving you my collection for what I got for the past few months. Okay, I only have three actually purples. I thought I have more, but okay. So the first one I got is very popular in my channel, and this is my distinctive panty that I got. Do you know what it is? Yes. So this is it, you guys. Bam! Remember this? This is my very popular purple sexy see-through lingerie. Yes. And yeah, this is very attractive because of the design. It got a heart shape here on the back side. Yes. And your bottom will be so lala says who with this one. Kasi purple siya, very attractive siya, guys. And yeah, I don't want to talk so much more about this panty because I did talk to you more on this. I will leave it up on that first video that I made for this one. I already described all the details with this one because I'm just showing you guys my purple collection today. Okay, so this is the first one. Yes, very sexy and affordable from Shopee. This is around 50 pesos or 50-55. This one very affordable, cheap, and also when you buy it online it's very convenient. Okay, and yes, budget friendly, and it will like feel that you are so rich. Now what I mean is that wearing this, even though it's cheaper version, but you look luxurious, right? Okay, next sexy see-through panty I have is this is very current. Okay, bam. All right, so I hope that you watch also this one because yes, it is also very nice. It's like a butterfly figure in that. Right, it's butterfly look. And this is looks so like expensive because it's lace, and of course yes, see through. Yes guys, and look at that. This is also very delicate material, so if you were gonna wear it, just be very careful about this one. Okay, and price for this, I believe it was like 65 and up. Okay, and to give you more on the price, I will put it in the description here. Okay, so this is it. If you hear noise in the background, because my town here doesn't have any like electricity, so the background noise are like generators. Yeah, so sure. We have to do what we're gonna do, guys, even though it's expensive to purchase gasoline right now and oil and sort of that stuff. The commodities are getting scarce in my area. Jollibee, McDonald's, oh my god, the Chicken Joy is running out too, or like their chicken stuff. Yes, I miss it. But yes, because it's a small island and we are affected by the typhoon of that, right? Yeah, so Cebu was hard hit by the typhoon, but we have to move on with our lives. Okay, enough for that one. Okay, so the next and the last one I have for you, also very attractive, you guys. This is somewhat a little bit complicated, and I also already talked about this in my other previous videos, so I will put the link up on what this design is all about. Okay, so again I'll show you. This is bam. All right, see through. You can say to this like, hello, is it me you're looking for? I can see it in your eyes. I can see it in your smile. You're all I ever wanted. Oh, ha, mugna sa lyrics. Look at that, you guys. Very, very nice. Very light, comfortable, and the material, the design, very intricate, looks luxurious, looks expensive. But for the cost of this, is around 65 up. Yes, this is a good deal. And the hardware, you got the jewelry emblem right here. You know, it's very sparkly. Spark like a diamond. Diamond, diamond. Oh, hindi naman diamond, guys. Parang ito la, semi-zirconia, but no, not actually zirconia. Yes. But something like, something uh, look more sophisticated, this one. And yes, I agree that this one looks so nice to wear, and very light, comfortable material, and it's not itchy. Very it's not hot material as well. The pocket is cotton, and the way it designed, g-string as well. This is so good. If you have the body for it, go for it. I recommend this one because this is just, I don't know, for me. Look at the embroidery here as well. Look at that, very refined. Hems are well stitched. It looks fancy, strong built. I do recommend this as well. So for the three of these um, panty haul, um, which one do you prefer? Do you prefer the conservative one, like this one, the lace tie but see-through, but still it will look, it will still look very luxurious. You still look expensive wearing this because it's a lace, very classic looking type. The design is more conservative type, yeah, but still look very, very sexy. This one is, wow, shalala, Yes, look at the back. It will show all your goodness in there if you have a round butt. And the front, yes, it looks so nice. The way the lace is, they choose a good material for this one. Yes, it's still a solid design. It's not gonna, uh, fall off or rip off in a bit when you wash it. Yeah, just to make sure that all this lingerie can last, hand wash it. When you do your laundry, it's better to preserve its life, more wear days of use if you are taking care of your stuff as well. So all of these Shopee lingeries are very affordable and cheap. All right, so which one of the three do you like? I do like all of them. Again, that's it for my affordable purple sexy see-through lingerie panty haul from Shopee. I hope you like this video, and if you do, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you next time. Bye!